All right, so you got your new Chromebook and you kind of want to use it, and it doesn't have PowerPoint presentation on it, but it does have Google Drive. And Google Drive allows you to do presentation or slideshow, and they have a tool called Google Slides. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Google account. If you don't have one, it's pretty easy to set up. You're just going to go ahead and usually on the upper right hand side of Google, it'll have like a sign in button, and it'll walk you through the steps of how to sign into a Google account. Let me know if you don't know how to do that. I can help you out with that in class. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to select Google Drive, and it's going to show you all of your Google Drive documents that you've done so far. If you have done any, if you haven't, well, there'll be nothing there. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click the Create button, and then you're going to create a presentation, and this is going to pull up Google Slides. The first thing it's going to want you to do is choose a theme. I always go for the simplest, so Simple Light is the one I want to usually do, but there's a couple different options. Again, the more crazy the options, the more and more people are going to get confused and distracted from your presentation. So again, choose the simple stuff. That's probably the best way. So go ahead and click OK. What you're going to want to do from there is pretty much use this like you would PowerPoint. So you can go ahead and add a title. You can go ahead and select that and change the font. What's really cool is it does have actually Helvetica on here, and Helvetica is the coolest font ever. It's what the hipsters are using. Just letting you know. Anyway, so you can go ahead and edit all of that stuff from up here, okay? Now, if you want to go ahead and move this is going to move exactly the same way as it would in PowerPoint. If you want to go ahead and change the color of the slide or the fill color or anything else, all of these options are up here, okay? If you want to add an image, you're going to click here, and you can upload an image from your computer, or you can go ahead and do a couple different other options. So you can take a snapshot from maybe the webcam on your Chromebook, or you can take the URL of a photo that you found online that you'd like to do, or you could pull it from your Google Drive, which you're probably going to want to do from your Chromebook. I'm going to upload a photo from my pictures. Well, let's do Abraham Lincoln here, and it's going to upload onto your Google Drive and onto your presentation, so you can use him later if you need to. Okay, so again, you can just go ahead and make that picture bigger or smaller. You can rotate it using the rotate feature. In fact, Google Slides actually tells you the degree. So nerdy, but so cool. And you can do all that stuff from here. Now, if you want to add a new slide, you can go ahead and do that by clicking slide up here at the top and click new slide, and that will add a new slide. You can, just like in PowerPoint, change the order of your slides by clicking and dragging and moving it to change the order. And if you want to use, they have a pre kind of like layout for you like this. If you want to change the layout, you can do that by clicking here, and there's a couple different slide layouts. I usually click blank like in PowerPoint, but you can click the two columns one if you'd like, and you can add text like you normally would in a PowerPoint. Another cool thing about Google Slides is the fact that you can share this presentation with other people. So if you click up here on the share button, you can go ahead and, well, obviously let's name this real quick, so title, and you can share it with others. What's really cool with that is you can go ahead and type in like maybe someone you're working in class, you're working on this presentation with a group of people, so you can enter in that person's email address, right, and you can send it to them, and they can actually edit it and add new slides and everything. And instead of kind of like sending one PowerPoint from one person to the next on email, you can actually all be editing at the same time, and this makes it kind of a little bit more efficient. You can actually allow people to just comment, or you can actually just send it to people and they can just view your PowerPoint. So it makes it a lot easier to view your PowerPoint or your slideshow, not PowerPoint, sorry, your Google slideshow than it would be, like I said, with a PowerPoint. Because again, not everybody has Microsoft Office, but everyone can view a Google slideshow, which is pretty neat, which makes it, again, really neat. So just something that you can think about. If you have any questions, call me on over. Hopefully this helped. Thank you.